Premiere Pro, just like any other editing program, is just a tool, filled with many smaller tools to assist you in completing your video project. It is very important to always organize all of your files every time you start a new project, as not organizing can result in having many different problems, such as files in your project showing up as offline, and worse, the possibility of not being able to relink the files, causing you to have to start the edit over. Titles such as lower thirds are a great way to add production value to your edits. It establishes who the person speaking is and provides credibility for what they are saying. Intro titles or text on screen through the video also provides another level of value that helps keep your audience engaged. If you plan on selling the videos you are making, or you are being hired to create a video, you should have the rights to the content you are including in the video, such as the music involved or stock photos. Even if you are creating a video for fun, but decided to use copyrighted material such as a song you heard on the radio or a classic rock song, it's possible that YouTube or wherever you're uploading the video will remove it because of copyright issues. There are plenty of royalty-free music and stock footage or photo websites where you can get a lot of very high quality content for very cheap. There are even some websites that give great content for free. A quick Google search is a great place to start. Good editing is a very powerful way of providing an engaging story to an audience. Editing can break or make a video, creating an amazing storytelling masterpiece or a slow-paced disaster that bores everyone who sees it. In regards to editing and telling a story, as a general rule, if a clip in an edit doesn't help tell the story, it's not needed. So think like someone who has never seen the footage before. If it helps tell the story, keep it in. Otherwise, it's not needed. So that's it. You've made it to the end of our video course. Thanks for tagging along, and I hope you've learned what you wanted to learn. If you need to replay parts, feel free. Thanks for enrolling in our course, and check back monthly for new courses.